This video is brought to you by Straight Goods News, Canada's alternative online news source. Visit straightgoods.ca.
Are stated and different charges are laid. As I understand it, in this case, all of the exact same charges continue as a consolidation of charges and a procedural rather than any type of substantive change.
So they're not dropped or anything? This is proceeding forward?
Yes.
And I guess a couple of weeks ago when they were laid, you were congratulating the RCMP
Yes.
and so on. Do you still think that these people are, that the law is going to come cracking down on them or what?
Absolutely. The matter is proceeding to court, and those who are guilty of an offense should be found guilty, and we'll let the courts determine who in fact is guilty.
But because all those people...
And in terms of the gory website that everyone's been talking about, is there anything more you think the government can do to, in terms of dissemination of that kind of material?
Well, I have my own ideas of what the government should be doing on that, and in respect of this particular case, there are laws on the books that the police can use, so there are tools in this specific case. I think the whole issue of the posting of that type of material, of course, is something that Canadians need to have a very significant discussion about. I think there are some very real concerns dealing with the propriety and the appropriateness of posting.
And what's your thought on it?
Well, for now, on this case, I think that the police have the tools, and if there's evidence, they can lay the charges.
Mr. Toews, about the people that were on the Sun Sea, were they not granted refugee status?
Well, as I understand it, there's individuals in different stages of that application. I think they've claimed refugee status. I don't know how many of them have actually obtained refugee status.
So could you make the argument that the people that were alleged smugglers were actually trying to help them or smuggle them in?
Well, our position is that that was part of a criminal enterprise which was exploiting these individuals for significant amounts of money. And those who are responsible for that criminal exploitation should be brought to justice and dealt with by the courts.